Hi guys, in this video I'll show you that how you can fix your lag or the shuttering problem or the FPS drop in your the first Descendant game. So I'll show you guys best effective solution to fix this problem and the settings you need to apply. So first go to your Windows search and type the power edit power plan and you will see this settings on the top, so you can just open it. So once you open it, click on the power option you are seeing on the top and click on the create a power plan. You will see on the left hand side. And now here you have to just select the high performance if you have the PC, and if you have the laptop then you can just select the balance and then click on the next, and you can also change these settings and then just click on the create. And now just click on the change plan settings and now click on the change advanced power settings. And now here you have to just look for the PCI Express settings. Just double tap on that and you will see the link state power management. And now here make sure these two options are off, which is the on battery and plugged in. And then you have to just look for the processor power management. Just double tap on that and you will see the three options. Just click on the first option and make sure these settings are on this, and just double tap on the system cooling policy and make sure these are active, and also the maximum processor state are on the 100%. Click on the apply and then just close it. So now you can just close this and go to your Windows search and type the graphics settings. And now the graphics settings will appear on the top. Just open that and here click on the browse option you are seeing. So once you click on the browse option here, you need to just select here the first Descendant game, and let's say this is the first Descendant game, so I can just select that and click on the add. So once I click on that, click on the options you are seeing and here select the high performance. So it can use all of your graphic card power, and then click on the save and then you can just close it. After that, we'll go to our next settings. That is the very important. Go to your Windows, type the task manager and open that. And now here you need to just close all the background application that you are not using. So you can just right click on the application that you are not using and then you can simply click on the end task. And this application will consume lot of bandwidth in your background and also just consume lot of your RAM. So you need to just stop this or end this application. After that, now you can just play the game and check. And I hope guys, after these settings your FPS will be increased, and if yes, please don't forget to hit the like button and also do subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.